Hi guys, it's Nervana here. I'm just here with you guys today to share an unboxing video. I do love to watch these and I thought I might film it this morning. It's going to be a quick one. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Alright, so right to it. I did go to the VUITTON store in the Galleria in Edina, and I'll just get to it. So, I love their packaging. The boxes and bags are so cute. So I have not opened this up since I picked it up, so it's my first time opening it. So now they have like the magnetic closure. I don't even know what's in this one. I forgot. It is a really, that's a pretty big box for this, but I'll take it. It's so cute. So I'll just show you this. I thought this was beautiful. They're a lot longer than the Hermes Twillies, but I wanted this for a couple of my bags. I figured I would just put it on it. It just looks so pretty. But they do have a lot of different kinds. Excuse my nail. I'm going to get it done here today. And let's see here. That's the name. You guys can see it. I can never get this to focus. I'm so sorry. But it's very pretty. It's their new design that they have out. But I even think like even in the hair right top or like underneath, it would look super cute. So yeah, I did pick it up for my bags and also something that I can wear as an accessory. So that's that. That is a pretty big box for that. And I have a couple other things in here. So they're super cute. I can't remember exactly which item is in here, so we'll just open it together. And this one is, oh, it's so cute. It's like a pull-out drawer. And, aw, look at that. So I think this is going to be the bracelet that I chose. It's a very cute bag. And it's so cute. I just love it. I went there and I tried on a few different bracelets, but this one just fits so cute on my hand. And the way you would open it is push it up. And I might as well put it on now. But it's very cute. It's like that. I love it. Very cute. And the LV goes all the way around the wrist. So that's what I got. And if you guys wanted to know pricing or anything like that, just let me know and I'll just respond to it. Super cute box. I will be keeping that, and my receipt from the store. Just let me know if you guys want to know any pricing or if you're interested in buying any. So yeah, there's that. And I have one more box here. Another pull-out drawer. They're so cute. And this is actually the PM daily refills for the agenda. I just picked one of these up from online. Actually, I have it here. I have my agenda. I picked this one up. It's a pre-loved item I bought on eBay, and it is authentic the seller, I really trusted the seller because they do sell a lot of other items that are very beautiful and authentic. So yep, I did pick this one up. I haven't used it yet, but it's in pretty good condition. It is a 6-ring planner, and I really like this because most of the time I'm carrying around like smaller bags, and I just want to make sure for my job that I'm able to jot down everything that I need. Sometimes I'm in the car. I don't know if you guys find yourself doing this, but if I get a phone call, I'm quickly trying to grab a piece of paper that I can find laying around in the car and writing the information down. So I figured with one of these, I would be better at taking notes. I do use my phone too, but with driving, I drive so much that I need something that I can just write down really quick and not be on my phone and, you know, texting. The new 2019 PM agenda looks like. This is the box. And it comes with 4 packets. So if you guys wanted me to do a video on this, I can. Actually, I think I might just do a video with me inserting it into my new planner. But yeah, they're very cute. I thought that they would come with some kind of stickers and stuff. This is just for notes. And yeah, I'll open it later and figure it out. Yeah, but these are for this little guy here. Alright. So lastly, I got this. And so this is the box, and I don't know if you guys can tell by the box, but it is a purse that I picked up. So I'll just go ahead and open it. I love the blue ribbons. And it seems like all of their boxes is pull out now or the magnetic closure, so. There we go. Very, very cute box. I just love them. All right. And this is what I got. It's gonna be crazy. I think this is the clochette. I just can't even remember the name. Crochet. The Damier Ebene. And they did have this style with patterns like this on them, but I didn't really care for it too much. That was another reason why I picked this up, because I wanted to wrap it around the strap. Obviously it would be wrapped around a little bit better than that, but yeah, I did ended up getting this beauty. So cute. I just thought that it was the perfect size for me. I hate, you know, I do have a lot of like larger bags, but I tend to grab like the smaller ones most of the time, like crossbody. And seeing this one, I just thought, I don't have this pattern. I usually have this pattern in the bags, but I just thought this one was too cute to say no to. So it does come with like a little tassel here, which is leather, and it's hard. It's not anything soft. And I'll just open it up here for you. It is red inside, and it comes with a strap, and it's just one big empty area and a pocket in the back. I do see something in there. Oh, corset. It just says the name and the price. I'll just put that back in there. Yep, so that, well, it can end up on the ground. So that's what it looks like in the inside. And yeah, I do love it. I do like the red contrasting color against the brown. But to close it, you just pop that in. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So that's it. This is something that I feel like I could wear without the strap and just carry it like this. And here goes the strap. There's 2 buckles. It's not anything fancy, it's just a strap. But this would go just on here. There we go. It's very cute. I do like the cinch inside here. It doesn't have any legs. Just, I think, very simple, but very cute. Something that I can wear every day. And the plus is, when I get this filled, it'll fit perfect in there. And I can take it to work. So, yeah, those are my buys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know if you guys want to ask any questions or anything like that, I will answer them. Yeah, sorry if it's not too much informational with prices or anything like that, but just let me know what you guys want and I will respond. But yeah, my new baby. All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.